Okay, students, this is going to be a video about how you will complete your science project for today. So, you're going to be using the information from the lesson that you completed last week on Friday, and you will be using Google Slides to create a PowerPoint, okay? So, if you're watching this video, you're going to learn exactly how you're going to do this. So when you go into your Chromebook and you're at Google, over here is your waffle. This is what we call the waffle. Okay, you're going to click on that and you're going to go to Slides. Okay, it's this yellow piece of paper with the folded corner. Slides. Okay, this is just like how you did the About Me project at the beginning of the year. Okay, then yours is going to look a little different than mine because I have all this stuff saved. You're going to click on blank, which is this colorful plus sign right here. So you're going to click on blank. And it's going to take you to an untitled presentation. Now what that means is it's a presentation that hasn't been worked on yet, hasn't been used, okay? We're going to give it a title up here. You're going to title it Science Project / and your name. First and last name, okay? That way when I get it from you, I know who it's coming from. Okay, and I know what it is. So you're going to label it Science Project / your first and last name, okay? Now, obviously your presentation is going to be one that you make and you create on your own, but I'm going to show you a few different features that they have in Google Slides so that you know how to do it, and then I'm also going to show you how you're going to share it to me when you're done, okay? So, I have a Google slide. It's asking me to add a title. The title of this project is going to be Earth's Major Systems. Okay, Earth's Major Systems. If you need to pause the video or go back and rewatch the beginning part of it because you missed something, please do that. Then it says click to add subtitle. That's where you're going to put your name. So I'm going to put my first and my last name, okay? Then you can also change the theme over here. So there's different themes for you to choose from, okay? It does not matter which one you choose. I don't care which one you choose. Make it your own. Make it pretty however you like it. I'm going to choose, I'll choose this one, okay? And it's going to change it so that's a little more fun, okay? Now we're going to insert a new slide. So the Earth's 4 major systems are the geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. And in the directions it says that you're going to use your Chromebook and notes you took on Friday to teach me about each of the 4 major systems, okay? Which are the geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere, okay? You need to include what it is and why it's important to our Earth. Include picture examples for all the major systems. So I'm going to add a new slide, and the way that I do this is I click New Slide with the little drop down, and I'm going to choose one of these formats. So let's say I choose this one, okay? The first major system I'm going to talk about is the geosphere. Please make sure you are spelling everything correctly. Geosphere. Over here, I might add text about the geosphere. So I would tell, if you're teaching me, who's your teacher, about it, this is where you're going to put your information. And then somewhere on the slide, you can also include a picture of the geosphere, okay? And the way that you do that, I'm going to show you actually 2 different ways to do that. And the way that you do that is by going to Insert, and then you can click on Image, and it's going to bring up this little menu over here on the side. You can actually search the web for a picture. So the geosphere is like hardened lava and rock, okay? So I would type in, let's say I want to put lava. I'll just put lava, okay? So look at all these pictures of lava that shows up here, okay? Now let's say I want to choose this one because it looks really cool. You click on it, there's a little blue check mark, Oh, we'll wait for the bell. Then you click Insert. And it will bring it up. Now, it might cover your text. You can adjust it using these little arrows or these little squares that are in the corners. You can adjust it down however you'd like, okay? And then you can place it wherever you want on your presentation. Now, obviously, you might do yours different than mine. Yours is going to look a little bit different, okay? Then I would add another slide after I put my information in there. Let's say I choose this one this time. The next major Earth system is the, I can't remember what order I put them in, hydrosphere. And I paid a close attention to my spelling. I tell about what the hydrosphere is, okay, and why it's important to our Earth. And then I would include a picture example, okay? So this is an example. Obviously, yours is going to look different than mine. You're going to use maybe a different format, different fonts, different pictures. That's totally fine as long as you have all the information you need. And then you finish it and you're going to send it to me. So the way that you do that is you're going to hit share. And it's going to come up with this box. This is where you're going to type my email, abvanetten@graniteschools, S on the end, .org. Okay, if you need to pause the video and write that down, go for it. I'm going to have you send it to this email this time because last time some of them didn't come through. So abvanetten@graniteschools.org. Okay, then you're simply just going to hit send. It says shared a non-Google account. Go ahead and hit share anyway. And then I will get an email that shows me your project and that you completed it, okay? So, don't forget to use your notes from Friday. You're talking about the 4 major Earth systems, the geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. You can also go back and take a look at that lesson if you need to. And then you need to include what it is and why it's important to our Earth, along with some picture examples. I hope this helps. Have a great day.